God is walking through your house, waiting for one daughter to get out of bed and say, "Here I am, Lord, speak to me." This is no superstition. This is warfare. This is power. This is the moment God begins to move, because you dared to move first. Let me tell you what happens when a woman prays at that hour. When a woman rises, weary but willing, chains break. When a mother cries out for her children before dawn, the angels begin to surround her home. When a single woman prays for direction in the stillness, clarity comes like thunder. You are not weak. You are not forgotten. You are not overlooked. But sometimes heaven is waiting, not for a louder cry, but for an earlier one. And when you say this secret prayer I'll share before this message ends, get ready. Your home won't be the same. Your mind won't be the same. Your future won't be the same. Don't leave. Don't scroll. Stay with me. Because what I'm about to give you will unlock the supernatural. Would you like me to continue with the full speech and include the specific secret prayer section at the end? There is a mystery that unfolds between the hours of 3 a.m. and 5 a.m., a spiritual veil that is thinner, a realm closer than you think. It's not just the silence that makes this hour different. It's the stirring of the supernatural. Heaven watches, angels walk, demons whisper. It is during this divine window that this is not about superstition or folklore. It is about spiritual alignment. You see, when the earth is sleeping, when the noise dies down and the distractions fade, there, in the stillness, God often chooses to speak. He's not found in the crowd or in the chaos. He waits in the quiet places, and the early morning hours are some of the quietest moments on earth. That's why women who dare to rise during this time carry a different oil, a different fragrance. They are not casual seekers. They are intercessors.